Hey everybody, Tadiwa here from Zimbabwe. Very excited. I am very excited that our new song Mufaro is now out. We've gotten requests to do a translation of the song, which means you guys are liking it. Thumbs up for that. So I'm gonna go with you down to the chorus and translate over there. So the chorus goes like upenyu wisira basi ndichasunga marimba angu ndoimba ndichava nemufaro. Okay, so I'm gonna go with you to the first sentence. Upenyu wisira basi. That's even if life gets me down. Ndichasunga marimba angu ndoimba ndichava nemufaro. I'll pick up my instruments, jasunga marimba angu, and I will sing. I'll pick up whatever makes me happy. You at home, whatever makes you happy, you pick it up and be happy and have joy. So it's like, I was talking to my friend the other day, and he has graduated from university, and he's been going around applying for jobs, and he came last time and told me like nothing has been working. So like the song is just a reminder that even if life kicks you down or whatever you may face in life, it's just another chance to be happy. You can just choose joy. You can just choose joy. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to our channel.